Hello everyone. As you can see, we have another Papergang box. This month's box is in association with Blurt, which is an organisation to do with mental health. And for every box sold, £1 will go towards increasing awareness and understanding of depression. On the back, there's no like little paper cut out like they normally do. It's just more there's must be a poster inside that you can design, and then they'll give you 6 months free worth of Papergang. So it's just explaining all of that. And then this is the design for this month's, which at the moment I've got to admit I'm not exactly impressed by. I think it's just far too simple for my tastes. Let's open it up and see what we've got. We've got some bright orange tissue paper, like the Halloween sort of orange. It's kind of fitting for this month. So I'll start with this, which is, I'm guessing, the poster. Let's see if we can get this all the way in frame. Trust that beautiful things are coming. Then it's got all the shapes that were on the front of the box. And it's want to win 6 months of Papergang for free. To have a chance at winning, all you have to do is decorate this poster. You can colour, shade, paint, stitch, collage, whatever you like. The only limit is your imagination. To enter, share your finished poster on Instagram and then tag them. And then don't leave it too late. The deadline for submission is the 28th of November 2019. So this is a nice little thing. I don't think they've done anything like this before, so it's nice that they're trying something different. So that's that. Then let's go to the pens. I'll go get some paper. Paper. So this is just standard printer paper. Oh, these are twin-ended markers. They just say "oh dear" on them, and by the looks of it, they've got fine liner tip, and then they're like triangular shaped as well, and then a brush, or that might be felt tip sort of end. I think it might be a brush. And then these colours are, yeah, it's a brush tip. So that's the blue, nice bright blue. And then we've got an orange that really does match the packaging. And we've got a yellow. Yeah, again, matches the packaging. And then a pink. So all 3 matched packaging except for the blue one. But there are the colours up and close. Again, I don't think they've done fine liners before, so that's a nice different touch. Let's just flip this over. That's the booklet, we'll look at that at the end. Again, you've got a monthly thing, which I still don't use. I need to find a use for. Then 6 scratch and reveal postcards. Okay, so they're like what you get on scratch cards. So they'll reveal something, and it looks like it says there's a different theme for each one. So like we've got trust, nurture, live, listen, dream, and do. I'll not reveal those just yet. So on the side as well. And then the last item is a happiness planner. Ooh. And some stickers. And these are clear glossy stickers, which are quite nice. Happiness planner with nice gold, copper. Oh, it's not picking it up on the camera. But yeah, happiness planner. So you've got notes, doodles. Tomorrow I'm looking forward to. And then for fun, I'm going to do positive things today, to do, timetable, date. And then it's the same, I believe, on all the pages, except for every now and again you get these images, inserts, which I'm guessing they might actually be the ones that are on the scratch and reveal postcards. So yeah, it's the same all the way through, except for, like I said, just some inspirational quotes throughout. Yeah, so that is all of the goodies for this month. I have to say, I'm not overly impressed. I mean, I like that they've tried doing different stuff, which is fine by me. I'm also all like that, but it's the colors, and it's not even the colors, it's just the fact that it's basic shapes. It's sort of a bit I don't know, I want to say childish in a way, so I'm not particularly impressed. So box number 44 includes happiness planner, scratch and reveal, postcards, jewel tip, art pens, and composition poster. Designed by Melanie Johnson. Your mind is precious, nurture it. So it's just going on about Blurt and what they do. And then meet Mel, the designer behind this box. Sorry Mel, but I'm not a fan of this type of illustration. So yeah, that's this mum's box. I'll tell you what, I know I'm not going to use any of this stuff, and I'm not particularly enamored by the design, as you can tell. So if anyone would like this box, I'm more than happy to give it away for free. So just how can I do this? In the first person to comment below with the word Bazinga, any of you Big Bang fans out there? Yeah, so if anyone comments, the first person to comment below with Bazinga, you can have this box for free. I will post it to you. Once I realize you're the first comment, I'll then ask you to direct message me on Instagram or something, so then you can give me your details and then I'll post it to you, because I know I'm not going to use any of this stuff, so there's no point keeping it and just letting it collect dust. So I'd rather give it away for free. So yeah, yeah, comment below for Bazinga if you would like this box and all its contents, and I might throw in a few little treats as well. So yeah, I hope you would want this box, and hopefully next month will be another box that's something more to my taste. We shall see. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, happy architecting. Bye.